Hi! In front of me is Redmi A1 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down. Now choose Additional Settings. Then select Languages and Input, Manage Keywords, and Revert. Finally, click on Text Correction, scroll down just a bit, and tap on this switcher next to Autocorrection to switch it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!